Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you how to update a contact's profile using the inline editing feature in Mautic. Let's get started. In many CRMs, if you want to edit a contact, you'll have to go into an editing interface, change the needed field, and then resave the entire contact. And this process can be time-consuming. In HEM CRM, however, you can edit your contact with a single click. For a quicker way to update your contact's profiles, first navigate to the Contact section of Mautic using the main menu, and then click the name of the contact you wish to edit. From there, if you want to make any quick changes, you can simply double-click on the field you'd like to change, make your edit, and then press the green check mark. Now, this can be done on a number of different fields in the contact profile. The only section where the inline editing feature does not work is this bottom area, which details the contact's engagement with your school. That's because this information is much more complex and it cannot be changed with a single field. But everything else can be updated with the inline editing feature to make it more easy to make simple changes to your contact's profiles. And that's it. Now you know how to update a contact's profile using inline editing in Mautic. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.